Alright, we're back at it again today. And before you at me on Twitter or Instagram or any of those other social media sites about how I'm wearing the same outfit as I was yesterday, I didn't get a whole lot of work on them yesterday. So kick sauerkraut, you dirty tree climber. I'm just kidding. You know I love you. You want to hang out after this? Let me get you up to speed. Got the straps off of there after I put the through bolt back into the passenger side engine mount. There we go. And then I decided to give this guy a go. Oh, gee, I don't want anybody to know what brand this is, but it's a huge piece of shit. Don't fucking bother. I went to the hardware store and got some bolts and tried to put them into the header to try and get this guy to work, but come to find out the chains they give you are fucking itty bitty chains. Like, so look here. Look at the size of that guy. Look at that. Too small. So it might work on a little 4-banger, on a V6, not so much. I mean, the other chains are already, they're still in the back of the engine because the fucking bolt housing is dirty or something. So getting those bolts in there took some wrenching, and then there's such little space between the engine and the firewall, I didn't feel like trying to wrench them back off of there. So fuck that noise, fuck everything, burn it all to the ground. But now for the good part. I got the bracket free. It took some coaxing, a whole hell of a lot of convincing, but she finally broke free. I now have the front part of the engine up in the air, and how am I doing that? Well, I did what I said I wasn't going to do, and I reused the old seat belt. But hey, if it works, it fucking works. So, me. It can handle the weight. I just have to make sure that the knots are going to hold, which it looks like they are. Bueno. And now I got to get this guy pulled away from the transmission and see what happens. Pulling this shit away from the transmission. Hopefully nothing like smashes up against it. That would suck. Oh my god, that's heavy. So it's right up against the firewall and the bracket is like wedged. I'm not quite sure how we're going to get through this. But, you know, putting some gloves on my hands and trying to protect what is left of my fingers might be a good idea. My little phalanges. Okie dokie. I don't know how I'm going to angle myself in there. Up, skidoos. Oh. Oh. Baba. Papa. 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 Oh boy. Well. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, what? That's not good.
It's not good.
To be continued. The bracket's broken free and the transmission's broken free. Yay! Oh, Let's go see what this dumbass did this time. Here we go. Oh boy. Down into the engine bay we go. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, he wedged the motor mount like a fucking idiot. Woo, yay. Now the engine's canted to the left and it's almost on top of the AC system. Woo! Trying to rewrite the ship. Now to be fair, I've done far dumber things. Like, do you remember the Ethernet cable? If it works, it's not dumb, right? Right? Alright, this is where we're going full Sketch City. So motor mount right there is the thing that was free, but now it's stuck. And then the asshole bolt right there that I couldn't break free and I broke the majority of my fingers on has now decided to slide free. So ideally, what'll happen is I can take that nut off that bolt or post and then we should be okay. This is the idea anyways. Tight as balls. If balls can be tight. Fuck me running. Breaker bar. Above the breaker bar. Please don't die. Please don't die. I am afraid as to what's going to happen here. I'm going to get introduced to physics. Which is why we're using a breaker bar and not a ratchet. So I can have at least 18 inches of clearance when shit goes sideways. And then hits the fan. And then it gets flung into the ceiling where it hits another fan. And then it drops back on you in a fine shitty mist. And now you're covered in shit mist. Pump it and pull it. Pull. Always make some noises. I don't know. Well, I don't look bad. I think I might be able to work with that, assuming I didn't completely fuck up the transmission. Boy, howdy, that'd be another fucking awesome run of it. All right. Something. Well, we in here now. We're in for it. Just gotta do it at this point. Oh, can I clear the body with it? Hey, those are those chains that I told you weren't exactly working. Oh, hey, there's that, yeah, that's the thing. I told you I had a couple more things I had to unbolt. There it is. That's the max, I guess. Well, max for the, will help prevent the condenser. Yeah, the condenser's gonna be fucked. This is, man, this is, oh, that's the max. All right, cool. Here we go. All I had to do was take out the engine. I'm pretty sure I destroyed fucking everything. What a guy. What a fucking guy. Condenser is going to get fucking condensed into not denser. Well, it's going to get condensed denser. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Shut up. It's funny, I was trying to avoid that, and I didn't avoid it. We'll assess the damages here in a little bit. I'm assuming there's a lot. That's a lot of damage! I'm like King Midas, except everything I touch turns to shit. Shit. Double shit. There's gotta be a way, Christopher. Think your way through this one, dumbass. How now, brown cow? Now, you people in the audience are probably like, why didn't you hook anything to the back of it so it came up nice and even? To which I say, right there, buddy. Shit. Shit on a brick. Throw the brick through my window and punch me in the face. Just get you up and over this goddamn bar. Please. Please, mister. So what was that? Oh. The horn is going as well. Everything must go! Well, there's that for you. And now, the damage report. Radiator condenser support, bent, but probably salvageable. Condenser. Yeah, that's nice and bent. Maybe salvageable. I don't know what the bottom looks like. We'll see. Horn, bent that back into place. Yeah, those are going to get removed anyways. The motor mounts. Transmission is not sitting on the support, which is worrisome. That tells me that something is bent. Oh, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Fuck me twice, and then fuck me a third time to make sure I got fucked. Wouldn't you know it, there's transmission fluid on the ground. That is not good. Let's see. Transmission oil pan is up and canted. That's not good. And I don't know what that is, but it's bent. Looks like the transfer case. Let's take a look. All right, I guess the next steps are going to be fix the damage and try to do some corrosion control. So there's some rusty spots, and obviously this thing's aged. We'll call it aged, not like a fine wine, just aged. So need to go ahead and hit it with some paint and underbody protection. Always wear protection, especially in California. I don't know where I was going with that. I'm tired. Fucking tired. The engine's out though. But how much longer did I make the road for myself is the question. Tune in next time for another episode of Can I Fix This Truck? Let's just add insult to injury. There goes the rest of the coolant as I tried to put the engine on the floor. Bye, coolant. Say hi to my dreams in the gutter for me.